This Rodeo Realty property video is presented by Tony Hansen, less than bedroom greater than number 878,087. A wonderful warm feeling when you enter this home that is totally remolded. Everything has been brought up to date. A two-story beauty. As you enter you will notice the new screen and front doors, all new doors. You will see the open floor plan, the lovely vinyl new floors throughout, and fresh neutral paint. Plantation shutters on all the windows. The kitchen is a dream, all new appliances, new cabinets, granite countertops. The two baths have been completely done with granite vanity, and newshower tub. This home is brand new. Nice view from the master bedroom, lots windows throughout to bring natural light in. One look and you will want to move in. Everything is new.